The future of lions and tigers depends on this. To save big cats, humans must protect their home. They need vast forests and savannas, not cages. Stop deforestation and connect their habitats, because no land means no tigers. We must also protect their prey. Healthy populations of deer and antelope mean fewer attacks on livestock. Feed the ecosystem, not the conflict. And we have to end the poaching and illegal trade. No furbone or trophy is worth extinction. When there are no buyers, there's no killing. We can help humans and cats coexist with education and compensation, because when people feel safe, cats survive. We can use technology like GPS collars and AI to act as a shield. Big cats don't need saving from nature. They need saving from us. Follow for more on how we can make a difference.